What you doing?
Oh, right now I'm trying to get the door to where there's no pressure on the bottom hinge, but not actually put enough pressure on it to put more pressure on the bottom hinge by rotating the door out. It's a delicate balance. You just got to play with it till you think you got it.
Trial and error.
Trial and error.
Where you like it?
Yeah, I think right now it's holding steady, but I could still roll it back and forth a little bit. It didn't actually lift the body of the car up when I lifted it up, so we'll give that a shot. So
What are you doing now?
now I'm just going to undo these bolts, figure out which one is the size here. Looks like it is a 13 millimeter.
How many bolts you got?
There's 2 on the door and 2 on the car, looks like. Oh. Sometimes you just gotta get in there to get that bolt. This time I'm changing to the 10 millimeter because there's actually a plastic wire strap that is in the way. That is. It's gotta be.
What's a stud?
Well, it looks like the hinge has kind of a bolt welded onto it, and the stud's on the inside. All right, now I got the hinge loose, as you can see. There's just not enough room. You look down in there. It's got a stud that goes into the body, and there's just not enough room to get it out. So I'm going to take these 2 bolts out. Just thought it'd be quick to just zip them right out, and then we can pull the door away a little bit. Now you want to be careful to not stress it too much, because there's a bunch of wires, especially in a beast like this with a lot of buttons on the door. So you don't want to pull it away too much. As you can see, the door was a little heavier than we had anticipated, but as soon as it pulled out, it just dropped right out. I put 1 bolt in it to hold it, and some wood to hold it in place, but that's it. Now we got to figure out what to do about this looseness.
What are you doing now?
All right, now I am setting up my grinder so that I can grind. It's looking like we're gonna have to get this pin out, which is riveted on. So I'm going to cut the head of it off and pound it out. And I know that there are splines right there, so I might hit it with some WD-40. And you can see right here, I see what they're talking about. There's a metal bushing right there that is just gone. Let me see if I can get something to point at it here.
Is that the cause for the sagging door?
Yeah, that's what's doing it right there, and that's what we're going to be replacing, that and the pin. The kit we got, which I'll show you in a minute as soon as we grind this off and get it going, comes with a new pin, a new clip. Instead of a press-on style like this is, it comes with an E-clip that you can clip right on there. So let's get grinding. Alright, so now it's time to punch that through, and when you're on a budget and you don't feel like having any punches, or you don't have any punches like I don't, just a nail will work.
What kind of hammer is that?
This is Vingram's. Trusty hammer, had it for years. don't know if it moved, but I bent the screw. Let's see if I can't find a real punch. I found something else to hit it with. I could not find a punch for the life of me, but this is a Phillips head bit. So let's get it in here. And I'm just going to try with my hands. Why we buy tools for every job, right? Maybe if I just get enough different pliers. Dainty. Needle nose. Big nail. Back to Ving Rhames. Here's the Hinge pin kit we got. Just a universal kit for all Fords. As you can see, there's 2 brass bushings and an E-clip, and then your pin. Alright, so I got my Dremel out this time. I'm going to set it low. I like to do it low. Just got a grinding wheel in it. It's probably about the same size as the drill bit. So just take it in there. Like I said, just small increments. Just keep testing and trying. You know, part of doing this stuff yourself is you got more time than money. So spend the time to do it right, so you only have to do it once. Do it again. I got that one in flush and good to go. Well, apparently the bottom bushing fell out while I was putting in the top one. So we got that going for us, which is nice.
Some real hammering on the top one.
Yeah, apparently. So obviously that one's not as tight as the top one, so I'm probably just going to let that slip again and just hammer this one home. Alright, I'm about to hammer the hinge pin home. Of course, as I was talking to the camera, about to, it moved. I've got it lined up as best I can down in that hole. Try to see down through it. So now we'll hammer the pin. Try not to hammer it so hard this time that I bend something. Alright, so I'm bringing you back here, and I've already got the pin hammered in. Alright, so the hinge is in place now. And so now I'm going to use the dirt and the marks that were already on the car to try to line it up the best I can. Because obviously we're talking about body gaps here, so we might actually have to close the door, open it, loosen things up, adjust things. Depending on how it works out. Hopefully first try. But right now I'm going to put the bolt through the body, and we're going to leave the bolts out of the door right now. It's tight now. Basically I tried to use all the dirt marks and little scratches, like when something's tightened down, to line everything up. So I'm going to lower the jack and see if the door falls off of it.
God, I hope not.
It doesn't. It does stay open, so that's something.
Hey, close. I'll give it an open.
What'd you do?
Hey, it doesn't pop anymore.
It does not pop. It's smooth as silk.